Hello, David here. Welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. Today we're going to do a little quick review of this Dremel carving engraving kit. Alright, so this has 11 pieces in it. It's the model 729. And it's good for wood, PVC, metal, stone, and glass. So let's get this opened up and see what it comes with. Alright, so let's get this opened. Alright. Instruction manual. So we have got some carbide carving burrs, and we have some grinding stones. So let me see if I can go in order with this guy. Alright, so this is going to be 105 Engraving Cutter. Alright, this is going to be good for small little detail work. Alright, this is going to be 105. Alright, so now we got this stone burr right here. And that's going to be number 83322. Little guy here. So these stone ones are going to be ideal for sharpening, deburring, and general purpose grinding on hard materials. Then we have this other stone. It's more of a cylinder. This is going to be 83702. Another grinding, sharpening. Okay. We got here the 106, the 107. This is the 107. Just a little bigger, but also good for detail and engraving. So I may try and do some engraving on this knife here. Maybe do a design. May do that in a separate video. Alright, so I'll try and do that. Okay, so now we have the 7103. It's a little diamond wheel point, a little round diamond burr. It's good at smoothing out little details also. And we have these pointier diamond burr. This is number 7134. We have these various grinding wheels, sharpeners. So we have the 85602. 85602 is this guy here. And we have the 84922, a cone shape. And we have a fatter cone here, and this is going to be the 83142. And the last two are some very small detail engraving cutters. I believe these will be the small ones. 108, 106, 7103. Probably should have them marked, but they don't. So it's a nice little kit to get you started on small details carving engraving kit. This is a good get started. Alright, first test is going to be the grinding sharpening stone. I'm just going to use this one here, and I'm going to use it on this razor blade. You can see how pretty dull it is. Doesn't really cut so great. So let's see if we can get this sharpened. So I got my dust mask ready to go on, and I got the Dremel 4300 with the flex shaft, and this is the 84922 grinding sharpening stone burr. Alright, let's see how that works. Much better. Just need a little bit more on the point. I say it did a good job. Did a good job. So let's go into some carving. This is the 107 carving burr cutter. So I wrote my initials here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and carve those letters out. Okay, see how that worked? Pretty good, nice and clean. There's some little dot textures here. Alright. So now I'm going to just quickly use this diamond. This diamond burr. So I'm just going to use the 7134 real quick. Smooth out some of this. Show you guys how it is. And then we'll try some engraving on this little metal pipe I have here. So with the diamond burrs, you do want to lower down your speed. So I'm going to put it down to 25. This should be good. I think they recommend diamond burrs to be about 25,000 RPMs as the max. Usually I do 25 to 35,000 depending on the burrs. Okay, so let's try this one. Alright, not too bad. Gets a nice point, gets into tight areas. Hopefully you can hear me with the mask on. It's a nice pointy burr to get that fine detail. So you can see the small little dots it can make. Okay, so let's go on to engraving some metal. Let's see, I can go ahead. This guy. And this would be 105. Alright, so this is like a little metal rod pull. I believe it's aluminum. So I put 2022. Engrave that there and see how that comes out. 2022, pretty good. You can see that burr works real nice for engraving on the metal. Alrighty, so that engraving burr does very nice, and you can just imagine the smaller ones just gives it better detail and thinner lines. So I'm not no Triado engraving, custom engraving. If you know who that is, Max, what's up? I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel. He does amazing real engravings, so you guys can go check him out on his channel. Yep, so that's gonna be it for this little review of this Dremel carving and engraving kit with the grinding stones and the engravers and carving burrs and diamond detail bits. So this is really great for small fine detail. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this review video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll catch you later.